I will just tell save democracy.
নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, জিপিকে সুজিত মন্ডল চ্যানেলে আপনাদের আবারও স্বাগত জানাই।
সুপ্রিম কোর্টে নজিরবিহীন দৃশ্য। ভারতের ইতিহাসে এই প্রথম কোন মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মানুষের হয়ে সওয়াল করলেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টে।
Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank, so many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people, because of Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul.
They means that they are not allowing the people.
Let the matter.
They are not allowing the officials.
Possibly for most of the submission.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
Day after.
They are not allowing the government certificate. May I explain you, sir?
Give me time till tomorrow day afterwards, then I can get back.
May I explain you, sir?
Because in my view,
Because I belongs to that state. I am a
Can there be any doubt, Madam?
no, sir. No, sir. I am very grateful, sir, because of your kindness, my humble regards to my Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Babchi and Mr. Panchali also. Panchali ji also. Thank you very much. And my humble regards to Mr. Dwivedi and others, my opponent lawyers also. Sir, the problem is, always our lawyers fight for the case and they're fighting from the beginning. We are also. But sir, when everything is finished, when we are not getting justice, when justice is crying behind the door, I quote Rabindranath Tagore, then we thought that we are not getting justice anywhere. So many times I have written 6 letters to Election Commission, including all the details, but no reply, sir. I'm a bonded labor, sir. Maybe I prefer that. I'm a very less important person. I prefer that. Sir, I'm from a common family, but I'm not fighting for my party.
Madam Mamata, sorry for interruption. The state of West Bengal, in its own right, has filed a petition, right? Today, of course, you are also coming in your individual capacity, but state of West Bengal, in its own right, there is nothing wrong in that. State of West Bengal has also filed a petition.
state of West Bengal is not.
One of the best counsels in the Supreme Court, fortunately, are there to not only are to represent the case of the state. Mr. Sibal appeared on that day. Today also, incidentally, Mr. Diwan is there. Then in the other matter, Mr. Gopal is there.
Local, they pretty
Respected Chief Justice, sir,
not that
I am
imposed.
giving you the example. I can show you some photographs. If you allow me, only I want to submit, sir, I want to lay, because it is not my photograph. All the Bengali leading newspapers, it is reported. You'll be surprised to know sir, only, sir, my submission, sir.
No,
Sir, their SIR process is only for deletion, not for inclusion. Mismatch, not only the title, sir. Mismatch, mismap, unplanned. Now suppose a daughter after marriage, she go to the in-laws house. Now why she's changed her title? Why she's using the husband's name, husband's title? That is also mismatch.
it can't be.
Yes, sir, they have done it, sir.
That's why we are.
Now,
That's
sir,
why we.
only I just want to say. Number 2, sir, there are some daughters who married and shifted the in-laws house. They are now also just unilaterally deleted. It is just because they shifted their houses. Sir, you will appreciate sometimes some people work some office, they transferred other offices, they work somewhere. Sometimes the poor people, they purchase the flats, they shifted their addresses, but they are the genuine people are staying there. But because of the name of logical discrepancy, now they change the name. No, instead of logical discrepancy, when you gave order, sir, they violated, and they say it is the discrepancy mapping. Sir, can they even violate your order? Number 2, sir, we are grateful. Bengal people are so happy that this court gave order that Aadhaar card will be one of the proof documents. But they said no, with other card. Sir, in other state, sir, the domicile certificate is allowed. Sir, the family registered card is allowed. Sir, the government housing card is allowed. The health card is allowed. The bank books means whatever caste certificate is allowed. Only they targeted Bengal on the eve of election. Sir, 4 state opposition state are going for on the eve of election. But why after 24 years? What was the hurry to do it? What it takes 2 years? Only within 3 months. Even when the festival season is there, when the harvesting season is there, when people are not in a mood to be in the city, they were in the outside, but they are traveling. And that time they issued the notices and all this. Sir, more than 100 people died, sir. Can you imagine? So many are hospitalized. Sir, because of the harassment of the people.
It is there.
Because of Bengal is targeted, sir. Sir, you tell me why not Assam? Sir, why not Assam?
The state government, we cried foul, saying that
Why not Assam?
in cooperation. They say
Why not Northeastern?
Madam, I have come all the way to speak something.
indeed, my lord. But the only thing is that, my lord, if it's off the record, we need to.
Madam Mamata, let me
Yes.
let me clarify 2-3 things to you.
No, this is
About the Aadhaar card,
commission.
this matter about SIR's validity issue. SIR's validity issue is being argued before us from last more than 2 months. In the main judgment, which was the first case, we have reserved the judgment. Therefore, we are not in a position to comment with regard to the credibility, credential, or admissibility, and to what extent about the Aadhaar card. That issue has been argued before us. We have reserved the judgment. But you also will appreciate Aadhaar card has also its own limitations when you will read that statute under which it is issued. At the same time, with reference to its insertion in the RP Act, what will be its value? We are yet to determine that part. You have one part. Second, you have pointed out this issue of the discrepancies part. In this case, one way out can be that you give a team of officers. The election commission can take them on deputation in the sense that those can also be part of the election commission team, verify that here it is a spelling mistake or it is only because of the local dialect that this mistake is occurring. Those must be rectified. That has to be rectified. So let us see what response they will give. We will grant them 1 day time. Tomorrow or
Sir,
day after.
No, sir. What happens, sir, ultimately, in practical, ERO has no power now. They have superseded all the power from DO, ERO, BLRO. Only they have appointed 8,300 micro observer and the role observer from the BJP ruled state, so that DO cannot clear the name. It is all micro observer can delete all the names sitting inside the election commission office through AI. Sir, earlier 58 lakhs are being deleted. Even they were not allowed to file Form 6. Sir, earlier first phase, 58 lakhs deleted. There so many people are alive, and now they are being declared that they are dead. Sir, the anti-women, so many women.
Madam Mamata, if need arises, we will mandate it, we will direct. Every document will have to be signed by the BLO, who are the authorized officers and who are the authorized notified officers.
Kindly see the
And-
directions in the website, Millers,
Don't
so
think
far
that
as the so-called
election-
micro observer.
Micro observer is a final authority. Election commission, WhatsApp commission.
Completely away
WhatsApp
from-
commission is saying
Have a look
it
at
is
what
only the micro observer. Only they are deleting all the names.
Millers, they could
These-
certificate on record, etc.
May I just take you back?
They are all government of India officials.
My lords,
They are,
even
My lord, in one of the matters, government is a party. Lord,
but the problem is that they are not allowing the people.
let the matter.
They are not allowing the
legal domain
officials.
Possibly for most of the submit.
They are not allowing the domicile certificate.
So day after.
They are not
Yeah.
allowing the government certificate.
let that be a direction, Millers, we should be served the copies.
May I just highlight? two points?
I have something.
Yeah, I
to say
just
about
want to
this.
highlight 2 points. If your lordship would just take up, I want to save time, so just go to my note for a moment. Just go back.
Lord,
to-
I want to intervene
There
for 1 minute, Lord, if Lordship permits, Lord. We have written several letters to the state government to give us Group B, Lord, the class 2 officers of the rank of SDM or equivalent, so that, my Lord, EROs can be appointed. That's the standard pattern, my Lord, that they should be class 2 officers because they decide vital rights, papers and all that.
No, that has.
Now they have given Lord only about 80 officers of that rank. Rest, all of them were given who were clerks and below who are working under the pressure of the state government. Therefore, we had to appoint Lord micro observers who can assist Lord in case Lord they are in the confusion. So the fault lies with them in not giving us class 2 officers for performing the job of AERO and ERO. So that's the reason why this is happening. And these micro observers are validly appointed under section 13C read with 3.
No, there is no statutory rules.
My learned friends are not right, Lord, that they are not, we are not entitled to appoint them. If this is the state of affairs, which is not contemplated by the rules and the state is not cooperating, then there's no alternative except to appoint the observers who can assist. Class 3 officers from Anganwadi and so on, they are being given to us. So that's
And
the
this is the
reason why
communication.
assistance.
There is only one.
But they are not assisting.
There is
They are
one
taking
one.
They are
Lordships
taking
have
decisions, not
one
assisting.
side of the story. May be true, may not be true. I'll not go into it. There is one more petition where the Election Commission of India has filed an affidavit. So that also may be taken on record. It's not listed on board. It was mentioned by Mr. Giri. But I am appearing in that matter and I have read the affidavit. So that also will have some bearing, my lord, in ultimately what your lordship passes the order.
And we have highlighted all the
I just-
difficulties we have been facing, millets.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
Here, my lord, it is pointed out the
Yeah,
hostility.
just
which
have
is
1
there.
minute. I just
But a role
want to
observers are
highlight.
A
assisting.
victim, that's all, my lord. I am saying let us confine.
Ultimately, we
No, no.
will ask them to at least 2 days' time, we'll have to give
Yes,
them
yes.
to seek their response.
Sir, matter is not correct, sir.
Survey copy, millets.
But fair enough.
Wait, Amaka-
What I'm highlighting is
There
just
is no
2 things so
problem.
that your lordship sees them.
Let me say this, Lord, there's no problem of time, my
The
lord.
the first
Have
point-
some buffers if there is
अरे भाई এটা
more than 1 crore already heard. And if somebody is not heard, your lordships are there and we are, our power is there.
We have been extending time. We have been extending time. We have
Millets,
been.
my lord, they have passed a slew of directions.
My lordship,
Every
my
aspect
lordship, with my humble regards, may I tell you, sir,
Whatever they have pointed out
my
and my-
opponent lawyers raised,
That.
sir, sir, that is not correct.
Madam,
That is not correct, sir.
Madam Mamata, we have no doubt about the ability of Mr. Diwan. He is one of the best senior counsel you have chosen.
Yes,
Let him
with his
assist us
permission.
on your behalf.
With his permission, sir, only one thing, sir.
Your point we have well taken.
Sir, it depends on some district,
Kindly
some
give us
state,
the-
sir.
give us the-
We have suppose 44 district. We have 23 district. Now SDM is depends on the district wise. Now whatever we have the strength, we have included all.
Alright,
We are cooperating to them
are you
all.
prepared-
My
are you prepared to provide class 2 group?
Yes, we have given, sir. Whatever they ask,
Alright.
we have given. But they are telling
All right. Please.
what I don't believe.
I think we will be able to find out a practical solution.
Very well.
On Monday, when we take up this matter, we are granting them 2 days' time to have instructions based upon all the notes and information which you have gathered.
Very well.
And you also on Monday, please give us the list of the Group B officers which you are in a position to spare
Yes.
and to provide to them for their
Furnish it in
assistance.
advance.
So that,
And your lordships may list that matter also because
Yes.
there is direct bearing on that.
ICT
There is an atmosphere of hostility. Election Commission says.
And it contains all our communication
Yes,
to the
but with
government,
the written
trying for help.
issued contemporaneous.
issue note.
আমার কাছে রাজনৈতিক কর্মী হিসেবে এবং আইনজীবী হিসেবে একটা ঐতিহাসিক দিন যে আমার জানা নেই যে অন্য কোনো রাজ্যের কোনো মুখ্যমন্ত্রী কখনো নিজে আদালতের সামনে দাঁড়িয়ে মানুষের জন্য হয়ে সওয়াল করেছেন। তিনি নিজে মামলা দাখিল করেছেন, তার মামলা তিনি নিজে সওয়াল করেছেন, কোর্ট তাকে শুনেছেন। সারা বাংলার মানুষের কাছে ঐতিহাসিক দিন। এইভাবে লড়াই কেউ করেনি আজ অব্দি। কোনো রাজনৈতিক নেতাকে গ্রাসরুট থেকে শুরু করে অ্যাপেক্স কোর্ট পর্যন্ত এসে লড়াই করা মানুষের হয়ে আমি অন্তত দেখি।
মামলাকারী মমতা সওয়ালও করলেন মমতা, এই প্রথম সুপ্রিম কোর্টে। এর আগে অবশ্য তিনি অন্য আদালতে আইনি লড়াই লড়েছেন। 1993 সালের 21 জুলাই 40 জন যুব কংগ্রেসের কর্মীকে মিথ্যে মামলায় গ্রেপ্তারের অভিযোগ ওঠে। এই মামলায় বাঙ্কশাল আদালতে সওয়াল করেন মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় 1996 সালের 9 জুলাই।
মামলাটার যখন যাচ্ছি আমি প্রস্তুতি নিয়ে মামলাটা করতে, তখন হঠাৎ আমাদের সেই প্রিয় দিদি কোর্টে হাজির এবং তিনি বললেন, অলোক, মামলার যা কিছু আছে তুমি আমাকে এই ধারা বা কোন কোন সেকশন আছে সেই সেকশন ওয়াইজ কতজন আসামি আছে স্টেপসগুলো তুমি নাও এবং তুমি আমাকে সমস্ত ডিটেলসটা বলো। উনি যখন কোর্টে গিয়ে অ্যাপিয়ার করলেন মনে হচ্ছে একজন সুদক্ষ আইনজীবী হিসেবে প্রত্যেকটা ধারার ইলাবোরেটলি উনি ডেসক্রাইব করলেন কোর্টের কাছে।
1994 সালে দক্ষিণ দিনাজপুরের কুমারগঞ্জে পুলিশের গুলিতে মারা যায় পার্থ সিংহ রায় নামে এক যুবক। এই সময় বালুরঘাট আদালতে সওয়াল করেন মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়।
30 বছর হবে মমতা ম্যাডাম আর কি বালুরঘাটে আসেন, সাংসদ ছিলেন, লয়ারও ছিলেন, ওনার বার কাউন্সিলের মেম্বারও ছিলেন এবং আমাদের লয়ারদের সঙ্গে একটু আলাপ আলোচনা করেন জামিনের ব্যাপারে। জজ কোর্টে জামিনের আবেদন করা হবে, বার লাইব্রেরি থেকে জজ কোর্ট পর্যন্ত মিছিল করে আমরা জজ কোর্টে যাই। নীলকান্ত বাগচি বেল মুভ করেন, শ্রীমতী মমতা ব্যানার্জি, সবাই আরো অনেকে ছিলেন।
1997 সাল চুঁচুড়া জেলা আদালতে সওয়াল করেন মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়। আর এইবার একেবারে বিশেষ শীর্ষ আদালতে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় সুপ্রিম কোর্টে নিজের করা মামলায় নিজেই সওয়াল করলেন। তৈরি হলো ইতিহাস। সৌজন্যে সুপ্রিম কোর্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়া।